you. Columbiana, Ohio, and Carroll. Again. Can't hear you.
Northern Jefferson County in East Central Ohio, Southeastern Columbiana County in East Central Ohio, Southeastern Carroll County in East Central Ohio, Beaver County in Western Pennsylvania, Southwestern Butler County in West Central Pennsylvania, Northwestern Allegheny County in Southwestern Pennsylvania, Hancock County in Northern West Virginia, until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near East Palestine to 10 miles west of Wellsville to near Hicksville, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour.
Big bitch.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Cranberry, Whitten, Steubenville, Franklin Park, East Liverpool, Aliquippa, Beaver Falls, Monica, East Palestine, Wellsville, Economy, Ambridge, Wexford, New Brighton, Toronto, Beaver, Calcutta, Baden, Wintersville, and Rochester. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 15 and 34. Interstate 79 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 74 and 85. Interstate 376 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 28 and 50. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Carroll, and Columbiana.
What the hell?